But the trick is that you can grow not only year round, but you can go 24/7 if you really wanted to. If you really wanted to, with LED lights now, you can set it up with LED lights, so you have your lights even at night, because you don't have to turn it off. You can have a timer. You can have it on and off if you want to, or you can follow the normal natural cycles of growing. With me, when I had a greenhouse, I ignored Mother Nature and I started to just do it in whatever cycle I wanted to do. But what do you say there? You take it out.
Use solar gain or geothermal for heating / cooling. We do a lot of that kind of thing up here in Canada, Andy, where we have a greenhouse attached to the side of the house, and you have a 3 to 4 season greenhouse, and you're facing it in such a way so you're getting that solar gain during the day, and it's actually helping to heat your house. So it's kind of a catch-22. There's a lot of different ways. There's a lot of wonderful videos and content out of creating these greenhouses where they basically heat themselves, whether it's through deep geothermal, whether through an air system geothermal. There's a lot of ways that, especially, in northern climates, that people are playing with. And I've seen banana trees in Saskatchewan growing in minus 42 weather, and these banana trees are flourishing inside in northern Canada.
Lots of ways to be creative with the actual structure, and if you're growing organically, you're much better off that way rather than doing the chemical route. So what you basically do, you have your own biology going on inside the greenhouse. But depending on how you do it, whether it be raised beds or containers, you key into the health of the soil, regardless if it's in the ground or in the greenhouse. Especially in the greenhouse, you're limited to how much soil is there. So you want to have a constant something good going on for the soil. You'll find that then the only thing you need to do is to concentrate on the water, the clean water aspect of it, in terms of getting. And one of the things you could put here in the description is that, did you ever contact that water filter company to get their affiliation?
No, you never sent me the link to them, Andy.
Oh, I think, that's my link. You can put my link. I will get the money, but you should call them up and say, I would like to be affiliate for your company, and you should put your link in there. Darn it. See what I'm saying?
Well, yeah, but I'm not even sure which company, Andy, because you haven't sent me that information yet.
I will text it to you, and so you can know the name of the company. Because this is a really cool company that sells the filtration system very, very inexpensively. It's $1,900 as opposed to $10,000. That's a whole property filtration system.
That's pretty damn cheap when you think about it.
Yeah, and so in a greenhouse environment or even outside, you definitely want to control the quality of the water that's coming into your plants. That makes a big difference. They're already restricted being inside an environment like that. So you definitely have to. And I will also have a fertigation unit attached to that, because that is so much easier having a fertigation unit when you have a greenhouse, because you're only fertilizing the greenhouse. You don't have to do a giant garden. And the fertigation is exactly that. It's normally made for fertilizers, or for fertilizers and irrigation. See, but us organic people, we know how to do organics with that device. It's called a fertigation unit. Yeah. The one I recommend, and I'm probably going to have to talk to them about doing the same affiliations thing. It's called Easy Flow. Easy Flow makes it really easy to use, and it's very simple to use. And you can make your own liquids that go in there, which then go out to the water and increases the biology on a regular basis. And because the water inside the fertigation units is not stagnant, water is constantly going through and coming out. It may be maybe when the system is off, but when you turn it on, it circulates. Rather than normally, if you put biology in a container, it eventually will blow up on you because there's so much pressure from inside. Every second water flow. Yeah, right. Recirculating water flow